And in there, like I said, we started this build only on Monday with Norris-san, and that was of Pine Beach Raceway. So we're building a 380 car. 380 cup car, a Chonmage car, whatever you want to call it. And the idea is to be very entry level. And I couldn't think of anything more entry level than a holiday buggy.
No, because it's so simple.
So simple and such a great build. So it's a 3-episode build to get it to this point. So keep an eye out for that. It comes together very quickly, and I highly, highly recommend it. So this kit does actually come with a 380 motor.
Yep.
But this one has been fitted. Now you can't see it because there's a couple of items on there that has been somewhat modified. Let's have a look on the overhead TFG. Put ourselves in a little box there. Here we have the plastic tub chassis DT02. So the Holiday Buggy was one of the very early models.
It wasn't a DT02.
It wasn't a DT02 chassis back then, but that doesn't take away from the fun and frivolity that is a DT02.
It's still a very basic chassis.
Yeah, and it doesn't have oil-filled shocks. They are a friction damper.
Just boingers.
Just boingers. But I think it'll be okay once the battery's in. I think it will be okay. It comes with
might even benefit from a nickel metal hydride
to weigh it down a bit. That said, it's got the new 9 steps 002 steering servo in there, but it does have the special Pine Beach Raceway. Does have the Chonmage Shogun motor in there, which you can't see because it's also got the Pine Beach Raceway duct and cooling fan. And that's in no way, shape or form for performance and making it faster. This is cool. So these guys can run it for like 3 hours at a time.
Yeah.
Because the Chonmage style racing, they can do 150 laps like on one battery, no problems. So
I can't concentrate that long.
No, well, they're all like short bursts, right?
Yeah.
3 laps at a time.
Yeah.
And then you reset or you get off the stand or you go to the front of the grid, have a snooze, and then go again. So I look forward to bringing that out, editing that video up and releasing it to the world. Episode 4 of the build, or whatever you call it, will be an overview of once the body is done. So the body is probably going to take...
Who's going to do the body? Oh, that'll be
me. that would be you.
I don't have to paint it at least. I just have to do some other stuff to it.
It's just going to be stickered and modelled and might even have a special driver figurehead, you said. Might have a haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, but anyway, so I'm really happy. I'm not known for my basic Tamiya kits, but this one, I really appreciate what these guys are doing. Part of a new RC movement, grassroots racing, and I think we can learn a lot from it.
It's good for me too because it's slow.
It's slow.
Yeah.
But it's still challenging and very rewarding. So I didn't think that. Like when initially, like I've always poo-pooed 380s.
Yeah.
Like, but now, like I said, the old frog I've got in front of me, that has gone from a 540 sport trim. Well, it started off life as a 22-turn single, remember?
Yes.
And that was mental at Bash 1. It was doing wheel stands and stuff. And for the betterment and longevity of the chassis, I thought, well, I better had detune it a bit. So I put a black can from an old MO3 that I had, and that's lived in it the past 3 years until now. So this is exactly what a 380 looks like. And if I was better prepared, I should have probably had a 540 to show representation. But have a look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
That's
the Hara edition one too.
Well, I thought that's very fitting, right? Because Hara was here.
Yeah.
It's got a timestamp on it. So the motor adapter, that's a Pine Beach Raceway part, and the motor. So that bolts to the standard case. No modifications or anything required. That motor does come with a pinion, and I did wire it straight up to the Speedy.
Yeah.
So some of them come plug and play. Some of them come with solder tabs.
Yeah.
Depends what you get.
And people will be able to buy these.
People will be able to buy these very soon as Australian exclusive.
We've got them here.
We do. So keep an eye on our website and stuff, because you will see Pine Beach Raceway stuff start to come up. Hopefully over the weekend or early next week.
Half a dozen different motors.
Yeah, all collectibles.
Yes. People buy them just to have them. So.
Pine Beach Raceway is a company that's been going for 3 years. Norris-san said. Only 3 years. In that time, I think he's done 36 or 38 motors. So it's basically about one a month. And he only makes very limited quantities of any motor, and once they sell out, they sell out.
Yep.
So it makes them collectible. And he said most people just buy them to have them and collect them, but each one is very unique. It's all the same tune.
Yeah,
but
they're not different from each other in any way apart from the sticker.
No. So but they are made to Pine Beach specification. So the standard 380 motor is 19,000 RPM. The Pine Beach Raceway motors are 22,000 RPM. Okay. So they're, what does he call it? Healthy tune. Yes. Sukioka. I'm going to say that wrong.
No, it's close enough. I'm not going to question.
But they call that happy tune.
Now, I asked you...
and good health. Healthy motor.
Earlier, what it's like to drive a 380, because I'd never driven one. I don't think you had.
I'd never driven one either. And even in the Frog, it was really good. Yes, I mean, on the back straight at Knox, like it's a long way, right?
Yeah.
But still the feeling on the throttle, because the 380s don't have quite the torque of the 540, it still has a power band. You still have to drive it. And you have to be almost more gentle with your inputs and be more precise with your lines to keep yourself competitive or circulating well. So it's challenging in a different way, but I really enjoyed it. It's definitely no slouch. And yeah, the 380 Frog even showed a clean set of heels. I'm very proud of.
To several RC10s.
Several 85 model RC10s, because it was running in the pre-87 class.
Yep.
Yeah, so all the old Gold Pan RC10s and the Frog and a couple of other Tamiyas.
Yes.
But it did really well. So I love it. And yeah, so we're looking forward.
We're right behind the whole 380 thing.
Yeah, because these guys, they know that it's not about outright performance or speed. It's about maximum fun. Minimum rules, maximum fun.
That's Chonmage.
Right. That's Chonmage. And we should actually post a link to their video.